Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Honeydue app in your device. Honeydue app is a budgeting app designed specifically for couples to manage their finances together. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Honeydue. There you can see Honeydue Couples Finance. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Honeydue app to help you manage your finances with your partner. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.